Welcome. Today we're tackling a common and frustrating issue, the iPhone rebooting logo error. Stick around as we explore the possible causes and solutions. First, let's discuss the signs your iPhone might be stuck in a reboot loop. If your device is endlessly restarting, you're in the right place. Sometimes, a simple fix is all you need. Try force restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons. Keeping your software up to date can prevent many issues. Make sure to regularly check for iOS updates in the settings. If the reboot persists, you may need to restore your iPhone through iTunes. Connect your device and follow the prompts to restore it to factory settings. To enter recovery mode, follow these steps. First, connect your iPhone to your computer, then press and hold the appropriate buttons. I'll guide you through it. There are reliable third-party software options available that can help fix the reboot error without losing your data. Research and choose wisely. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Just ensure you've backed up your data beforehand. You can do this through iCloud or iTunes. If you've tried everything and your iPhone still won't boot, it might be time to seek professional help. Look for certified technicians in your area. In conclusion, patience is key when troubleshooting these errors. Remember to try each solution step by step, and you'll be back up and running soon.